The Goshen High School Marine Biology Trip is first and foremost an upper-level science course that allows students to earn one upper-level science credit studying marine biology. But because it's really hard to study that topic in northern Indiana, students travel to the Florida Keys for an immersive experience studying marine biology.
One experience from this year's trip that really stuck with me was so we were the first class in all of the marine bio classes in 49 years to see a turtle release. And I think it's just really cool that we were the first class to see one, and watching the turtle swim away, it was just a really happy moment. And I think it's something I'll really remember for the rest of my life. And just like in general, every year some of my favorite memories come from seeing the manatees and the sea turtles just out of nowhere in the water.
Layton is a great spot for us, first and foremost because Goshen College has a marine biology facility located there, and we have been allowed to collaborate with them and use that facility for our work as well. Layton is also perfect because it's an area of the Florida Keys that is not as overrun with tourists and other people, and there's very few distractions there for the students. And the Florida Keys in general are perfect because they have excellent habitats for us, and the water temperature is warm enough during spring break to actually do snorkeling and other things. We often have a few kids that are a little nervous, so we spend some time trying to get them comfortable with snorkeling in a very safe space. Generally speaking, once we get them snorkeling and they get to see things they've never seen before, they're fascinated and they're hooked on studying marine biology.
I think something that makes this trip such a powerful learning experience is just how hands-on it is. You don't just get to engage with the animals, but you get to interact with the entire habitat itself. And one of my favorite parts of the trip is just observing the animals that we find and searching for new ones, because you'll never know what you find. And I see something new every year, so that's pretty cool.
We start advertising the trip early in the school year, and along with another science teacher, we go into upper-level science classrooms and talk to the kids about this possibility. And then we have a meeting early in the school year again where kids can attend and learn more about the trip. After that, if they are interested, they express their interest by filling out a marine biology application.
If a student is thinking about signing up next year, I would say it's definitely worth it. And if you're on the fence about it, just try it at least once, because there's so much to do and see, and a lot of students don't know what they're missing out on until it's too late and they're graduating. So
there are many ways for people to support this trip, and we have been really blessed by living in a very generous community. Every year we have students who require financial aid to be able to go on the trip, and we have worked really hard to be able to meet those needs. In fact, we have raised almost $400,000 from Goshen community businesses and individuals over the years of this trip. So financial assistance is something that we need every year, and we've been blessed to be able to meet those needs. As a science teacher, I strongly believe in hands-on learning, and this trip provides the best kind of educational experience for students that want to study science.